Good evening, everybody. I'm really, really delighted to be here with you today on this very special day, Family Day, because I've worked in Shell for 35 years and I've not yet attended any Family Day. So I'm really delighted to be here, and a very, very warm welcome to you all. Vanakkam, everybody. It's wonderful to see thousands and thousands of people here this evening. Extended members of the family, babies, fathers, mothers, grandparents. Welcome everybody. We are one big family, as Sandeep says, and a growing family, which is great. But my first message to you will always be safety. Like Vinay and everybody else, it's our number one priority in Shell. And safety is not just something we do at work, but it's something we do all the time. It's something we live and breathe, and we do it 24/7. Unfortunately, India has the highest rate of accidents and fatalities on the roads, so we pay particular attention to road safety. It's really important to do simple things like wear seat belts. Not just the driver, but everybody in the car needs equal protection. The whole family needs protection. All of our lives are important, and we need to protect every one of them. I gather this is now the 6th year of Chennai and something like your 4th family celebration. And I'm very, very proud of what you all do here at the Chennai Business Center. And it's due to your success that we grow each and every year. And your success means your family's success, because we know in India how important family is. Our family values and our families are with us in good times and in bad times. So the Centre, on behalf of Shell, I want to thank all of you here today, staff, children, members of the family. Thank you all very much. We appreciate the love and support you give our staff. Nandri from all of us. I hope you have a fabulous day. Thank you.
We are doing this road safety awareness, that is one, because we are very bad stage. Second thing is, we want to ensure that we all live happily, and which means that we have to be safe.
Can someone say what are the precautions that we should follow when walking near the road or on the road?
We must walk on the left side of the road always. So right side it's a way for all the cars and vehicles. So while crossing the road, we must always cross on the zebra crossings.
A big round of applause for him.
People doing heroism on the bus by traveling on the footboard. They think they are some heroes, but finally they end up under the wheels. So when that happens, especially front footboard, we see many college students, even school students, hanging from the front footboard, and when there's a turning, then they are out. So either they lose their limbs or their life, and it's very, very bad for their entire family. It really crashes the entire family.
So we have to have absolute focus on road safety for everybody's safety, not just us.
I am working in PSBB Sirasari School. Actually, I would like to congratulate the team for conducting the road safety awareness in the schools.
Yeah, it was a success.
It was a very perfect shot. Yay!
You don't have to bother to fix a date for the death.
And why is that?
As you see, because of these car accidents, more than 5 lakh people die every year. Moreover, every minute. So they die a very unnatural death. Not because of their age, but because of their ignorance towards road safety.
We all have changed, and we hope that you change too. Thank you.
என்ன எல்லாரும் ஒண்ணா சேர்ந்து வந்திருக்கீங்க? சிட்டி பூரா டிராஃபிக் என்ன ஆகும் தெரியும்ல?
நாங்க இனிமே எந்த வேலையும் செய்ய மாட்டோம்.
நீங்க எல்லாம் ஏன் இப்படி நடந்துக்கிறீங்க? டிராஃபிக் ஜாம் ஆகி இவ்வளவு நேரம் பெரிய குழப்பமே நடந்திருக்குமே.
சார் நீங்க ரொம்ப குடிச்சிருக்கீங்க, இப்ப வண்டி ஓட்டாதீங்களா?
டேய் நீ யார் அதை சொல்றது?
இப்ப பாத்தீங்களா, என் மேலேயே நேரா மோதி திரும்பி வராத இடத்துக்கே போயிட்டாரு பாருங்க, பாவம்.
But I don't remember. Like, I think something was coming at me.
Exactly. You didn't look at both sides of the road and a truck banged into you.
What? Like, how dumb is that? That's stupid.
Okay, don't you think you're missing something?
Missing something?
Road safety rules. We've been learning them from first grade. Yet, only a handful of people actually follow them. A lot of lives are lost unnecessarily because we can't follow these simple rules. We've put together this kit to convey our message.
This is the first time ever I think an inter-school competition on road safety is happening as with skit. So thanks to all schools, 2 first prizes. What is your guess? So AMM third team. இந்த பொன் வித்யாஷ்ரம் வந்து be aware,
be safe.